Hey, hello and welcome back students. On this video we are going to see the assignments of MEG04 2024-2025. Assignment code is MEG04 TMA 2024-2025. The course code is MEG04 and we are going to see the answers of all these questions, and you already know the maximum marks is 100. First question is for 20 marks, second question is for 20 marks, and every question is for 25. We have only 5 questions and we have to elaborate the answers according to that. In the second question, write a short notes. There are 2 options, so we have to write according to 10 marks. So without any further wait, let's get started with the answers from here. So what was our question number 1? What are the characteristics of human language? Discuss each in detail. So this is the question number 1. What are the characteristics of human language? Discuss each in detail. So the answer number 1 we are going to write from here. Human language is a unique and complex system of communication. It is different from all other forms of communication found in the animal world. Linguists have identified several key characteristics or features of human language that make it special. Here are the major characteristics of human language. Number 1. Arbitrariness. There is no natural or logical connection between the words we use and the object or ideas they represent. For example, the word dog has no natural link to the animal it represents. In Hindi, it is called kutta and French chien. This shows that names of things are given arbitrarily and decided to convention. Number 2. Duality of structure. Double articulation. Language operates at 2 levels. Number 1. Sounds phenomenons. Level 2. Words and meaning. In the level 1 sound phenomenons, these are meaningless by themselves like K, A or T. In the words and meaning, when combined in a particular order, these sounds from word like cat which carry meaning. This allows a small set of sounds to create a large number of meaningful expressions. Now, number 3, productivity or creativity. Humans can create an infinite number of sentences using a finite number of words and rules. We can say new things, ask different questions, make jokes, poems, and even nonsense rhythm. These features show that limitless creativity of human language. Number 4th point is displacement. Language allows us to talk about things that are not present in the time or space. We can speak about the past. I visited Delhi last year. The future. I will go tomorrow. Or imaginary things. Unicorns fly in the sky. This feature is absent in the animal communication, which is mostly about the immediate present. Number 5th point is cultural transmission. Language is not inherited genetically, it is learned from the society or culture we are part of. A child born in India but raised in France will speak French, not Hindi. This shows the language is passed down socially, not biologically. Number 6th point is distinctness. Language is made up of separate distinct sounds phenomenons, not continuous sounds. The sounds B, P and T are different and can change the meaning of words. Bat, pat, tat. These small differences are important in understanding and forming words. Number 7th point is structure dependence. Language follows a system of rules that decides how words can be arranged. For example, the cat chased the mouse is correct, but cat the chase the mouse is not. Speakers follow these rules naturally without thinking. Number 8 point is prevarication. Ability to lie or invent. Humans can use language to deceive, lie or create fictional stories. For example, saying I did my homework when you didn't is possible in human language. This is unique to humans. Animals cannot lie or invent stories. Number 9 point is reflexiveness. Language can be used to talk about language itself. We can discuss grammar, meanings, pronunciations, and even debate about how to use words. This self-reflective ability is rare in other systems. Number 10 point is interchangeability. Humans can both produce and understand any message in their language. In contrast, some animals like bees have gender-based or role-based restrictions in their communication. In the conclusion of this question, these features clearly show that human language is a special tool. It allows humans to express thoughts, emotions, abstract ideas, and even imagination. No animal communication system is as flexible, creative, or complex as human language. That is why language is often seen as one of the most dignifying characteristics of human beings. Now, we are going to see the answer number 2. Write short notes on the following. A. Back formation. Write short notes on the following. A. Back formation and compounding. So this is the question number 2 from here. You can write the answer from here. A. Back formation. Back formation is a process in word formation where a new word is created by removing a affix, usually a suffix, from an existing word, often mistakenly assuming that the original word came from the new one. The explanation is, it is a kind of reverse process in which a longer word is thought to be derived from a shorter one even though the longer word existed first. This process usually results in the creation of a new word from an exciting noun. For example, the noun editor existed first. People assumed it came from a verb edit, and so the verb edit was created this back formation. Similarly, burglar, burgle, television, televise, donation, donate. In the summary of this, back formation is a creative and interesting process in which speakers often unknowingly form new, simpler words by chopping off what seems like an affix from an older word. B. Compounding. Compounding is the process of creating a new word by combining two or more words, each of which can stand alone. Explanation is here. A compound words are formed by putting together two free morphemes, words that can exist independently. The meaning of the compound word is usually related to the meanings of its part, but sometimes the meaning may become more specific or entirely new. The types of compounds here: noun plus noun, toothpaste, football, bedroom; adjective plus noun, greenhouse, blacklist; verb plus noun, washing machine, swimming pool; preposition plus noun or verb, underworld, overcome. Here are three forms of compound: closed form, toothpaste, bedroom; hyphenated form, brother-in-law, mother-in-law; open form, high school, post office. In the summary of this answer, compounding is one of the most productive ways of creating new words in English. It allows the language to grow by combining existing words in a new and meaningful ways. The answer number 3 you can write from here. And what was the question number 3? Discuss the significance, the types of motivation in the context of second language learning. Learning is a second language is not just a mental task, it also depends a lot on a learner's motivation. Plays a major role in how quickly, effectively, and confidently a person learns a new language without motivation. Even the best teaching methods may not lead to success. Now, the heading is significance of motivation in second language learning. Number 1, drives the learning process. Motivation is the inner desire that pushes a learner to learn and improve their skills in a second language. Number 2, encourages consistency. Motivated learners are more likely to attend classes regularly, practice often, and complete assignments sincerely. Number 3, boosts confidence and attitude. Motivation helps learners to stay positive, overcome fear of making mistakes, and interact more in the new language. Number 4, improves performance. Studies shows that highly motivated learners tend to perform better in exams and real-life communication. Number 5, increases long-term success. Motivated learners are more likely to continue learning the language even outside the classroom, leading to long-term fluency. Now let's discuss the types of motivation in language learning. Motivation can be broadly divided into two main types. Number 1, integrative motivation. This is when learners want to learn a language because they wish to become part of the culture or community that speaks the language. The learner may admire the culture and want to connect with native speakers. This type of motivation is often found in people who want to live, work, or study in another country. For example, a student learning French because they want to live in French and become part of French society. Number 2, instrumental motivation. This is when learners want to learn a language for a practical purpose, such as getting a job, passing an exam, or improving their career prospects. For example, a person learning English to get a promotion at work or to qualify for a government exam. Now let's discuss the other subtypes or motivation. Intrinsic motivation comes from within a learner, a genuine interest in the language or love for learning. For example, learning Japanese because one enjoys anime and wants to understand it better. Extrinsic motivation comes from external rewards like marks, prizes, or pressure from parents or teachers. For example, studying English only to pass the university exam. In the conclusion, motivation is the key factor in second language learning. Whether it is the integrative or instrumental motivation decides the learner's energy, attitude, and success. Teachers and institutions should try to encourage both kinds of motivation to make language learning more enjoyable and effective. Now we are going to see the question number 4. Question number 4 was, word is a minimum free form. Elaborate in this answer. So, in the introduction, in the linguistic and language studies, the term word often conjured images of distinct unities that can stand alone or be combined with other words to form sentences. The phrases a minimum free form offers a specific perspective on what constitutes a word. That so you can write the answer of question number 4 from here. Answer, introduction is here. Definition of a words as a minimum free form. Characteristics of words as minimum free forms. Number 4, words versus morpheme. Number 5, implication of syntax and sentence structure. Role in morphology. Lexical categories and word class. Challenges and exemption. In the last conclusion. Question number 5 from here, write a critical note on Indianness in Indian English. Give relevant examples. Introduction, history, context of Indian English, phonological features, lexical innovations, syntactic feature, cultural reference, code switching, and code mixing, programmatic features, influence of religion, language, and the last conclusion. So I have covered all the questions from MEG04, the assignments of 2025. So that's it from this video. If you want any other video on another MEG, so let me know in the comments below. I'll create that video very soon for you. Bye bye.